Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna unbox my artificial grass. I bought this from Amazon. I'm gonna unbox it now. Guys, I ordered 6.5 cross 2 feet equals to 156 inches and I got this for $9.99. In Amazon you'll get a different size. And starting range is 6.5 cross 2 feet you'll get for $999, and you'll also get different sizes, and the last size is 6.5 cross 15 feet, and this one you'll get for $7,000. You can check accordingly according to your convenient. And you can see how thick it is. It is well packed such that it should not damaged. And guys, it's from Yazlyn artificial grass mat. And guys, this is made up of 4 layers of protection and this is waterproof. And the material is polyester and polyester blend, and it's washable. You can easily wash when it is dirt. And guys, you can see now it's like real grass. You can use this as carpet, as mat for balcony, and lawn mat, floor mat, doormat, or mat for terrace. You can use whatever you want. Guys, here I'm just giving an idea like how it looks and how is the width and height looks like, such that you'll get an idea for your home. I just ordered one piece because I want to know whether the quality is good and what is the height and whether it will fit for my balcony. When I tried this, the size is somewhat less. I gonna buy another one from Amazon since the width is less for my balcony. See how this is how it looks. I gonna buy another piece and I gonna fit it well, and the quality is so good. If you want to buy this product, I'll share the link in the description. You can go and check it out once, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much.